Maverick traders. Welcome out to your currency recap. It is February 24th. Corey here with you. As always, we're going to take you through meaningful news. There's some interesting happenings, certainly the crypto market's getting hammered, and we'll talk about best setups.
Disclaimer. This video was created for professional Forex and crypto traders. Maverick Currencies is a proprietary trading firm that employs professional traders around the world. Our traders trade firm capital and keep 70 to 80% of profits they generate. All trades and analysis in this video are for professional traders only. If you are interested in becoming a professional Forex and currency trader for Maverick, click the apply button in the video description. Let's break down what happened today.
Today was kind of interesting in that it's a continuation of some deterioration we've been seeing of late. So some meaningful news. Trump says tariffs on Canada and Mexico are to proceed as planned. There was a false breakout in equities, and this is what I mean by that continuation to the downside. It started at the end of last week, further selling today, and crypto violently lower. Crypto suggesting we are moving rapidly into a risk-off market environment. So as we look at currencies, there wasn't a lot of movement. I mean, it was a ho-hum, quiet day. Euro up 0.25%, Japanese yen down a little bit. Nothing there that really suggests markets are spooked. But when you look at crypto, you see how hammered it got. And then we'll look at the equity markets, which also continued to decline. But the widespread selling in crypto, I mean, Bitcoin down 5% seems like nothing, with Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin all down more than 10% in value in a single day. Imagine if the S&P 500 were down 10% in a single day, it'd be all over the news. So this is noteworthy of kind of a risk-off shift. Now, as we look at equities, they've taken a quick turn, and there's an old saying in trading that risk happens fast. The S&P 500 was making a new all-time high just 4 trading sessions ago. And this is what we call a false breakout. And from false moves come fast moves. And the reason that it happens so fast is a false breakout means that there are trapped buyers. This is a bull trap, right? And those people caught in the trap are now experiencing the pain and liquidating. And all the people that bought recently expecting a big surge are now filing out of the market in an unruly fashion, tripping over themselves to get out of equities. And that selling in equities has spilled over, first into crypto, probably coming into other markets as well. So we've got CPI out of Australia tomorrow. We've got preliminary GDP on Thursday here in the US. We've got core PCE, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge. That comes out on Friday morning. On the economic side, nothing too major, but core PCE will be watched closely. If you're looking at currencies, as I said, there wasn't really a lot in currency land. Now, crypto is at a -3. You want to be short crypto, you want to be careful there. The Swiss franc looks like the strongest, and it's a defensive currency. So there is a little bit of a defensive posturing, but I would say I would expect that to intensify. I would expect the defensive currencies to outperform and the commodity and the more risky and risk-on currencies to underperform here for the foreseeable future. So as I see it, your possible trades line up as follows. And by the way, this is the velocity of it. So notice above an upward sloping moving average on a buy signal, upward sloping above the 50 on the RSI. So we're healthy, we're strong, and we're possibly going to break out. That's a Swiss franc chart, and it looks like I would anticipate an upside breakout is coming. So Swiss franc looks like one of the stronger currencies. As I said, you've got to continue to expect more deterioration in the crypto markets. I would anticipate Bitcoin, which is currently at 91,000 a coin, throw a number out there that's quite a bit lower, and it's achievable. I mean, I'm talking numbers like we could be down in the 80,000 range in the not too distant future. So if we get any consolidation, any pullback, I think you want to continue to look for more downside in crypto in general for the foreseeable future is the way that I would look at it. False breakouts in the S&P, crypto getting smoked. This is not a time to take risk and be risk on. What we would want to do instead is align ourselves and get short the risk on currencies, and we would take risk by being long the risk off. So I would think, again, you're looking at these currencies on the long side. And when I say risk on, risk off, that's not to say there's not trading opportunities. You would take trades and ride these trends because things can speed up. And I would expect, frankly, that they probably will. I would expect markets to get more volatile here over the next couple of weeks. So we shall see, but that's the way I would look at this. Hope you enjoyed the currency recap. Have a great week, everyone. We'll see you next time.